Hey there, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how to lock album on your Android phone. You can easily lock album on your Android phone without installing a third-party application. First, go to Settings. You will find Settings in the top right corner of your mobile screen. Tap on Settings. Scroll down. You will find Security and Privacy. Go to Security and Privacy. Scroll down to find Application Lock. Provide your privacy password here. Yeah. Here you will find a list of all the installed applications on your Android phone. Find photos from here. Now, yeah, this is photo. There is a toggle switch. If you tap on photo, toggle switch is turn off. Tap on again, toggle switch turn on. You need to make sure that toggle switch by the photo is turned on. If you want to change the password, here you will find three dot in the top right area. Tap on three dot. Go to settings. In the beginning, you will find privacy password. Provide privacy password. Here there is an option called change password. You can easily change privacy password from here. That's how you may lock album on your Android phone. There is another way you can easily lock album by installing a third-party app. Go to Play Store, search for an app called App Lock Pro. Install it. After installing, simply open it. There are different types of lock option. You can set 4-digit pin, 6-digit pin, pattern, lock code. I want to set 4-digit pin. Press OK. I want to create a simple password, just 1. Tap on create, verify password again. Tap on save. Yeah. Here you will show a pop-up menu. Show our other application. There is a permit button in the blue area. Tap on permit button. Tap on OK. Here you will find App Lock Pro. There is a toggle switch. Turn on the toggle switch. Now you need to go to the second option, detect launch tab. You will see permit button in the blue area again. Tap on it. Turn the toggle switch on. Yeah. Click on permit. Let app always run in the background. Click on allow. If you want to visit the album, you need to provide your password. That's it. That's how you may lock album on your Android phone. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.